Guys, on today's episode of bringing you closer to sweet opportunities as students, I have something big for you. Gang, 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 gang. Drum rolls. Bam. Have you ever wondered the possibility of getting paid for learning? I mean, you are the one learning something, but then you're actually getting paid, you're getting rewarded for learning. Introducing to you Plearnty. Yeah, Plearnty is a platform owned by Unify, and of course, Unify is owned by Sterling Bank PLC Nigeria. So it's a platform designed for undergraduate students in Nigeria. So if you are an undergraduate student in Nigeria, then this platform will work for you. My name is Han, and I am an ambassador for Plearnty. So how does it work? Plearnty is a quiz platform where you learn by answering quizzes. So there are quizzes every day, 30 questions you have to answer in 6 minutes, and then for every correct answer you get, you earn a token. And this token can be converted into cash. I mean real cash, like real money. Is that not interesting? Another sweet thing about Plearnty is that at the end of every week, they pick 10 top winners. I mean 10 top highest scorers. So imagine yourself being part of the top 10 highest scorers. That means the first position gets 30,000 naira cash, second position gets 20,000 naira cash, third position gets 10,000 naira cash, then the fourth to the 10th position gets 5,000 naira cash each. That is amazing, right? No other learning platform pays you as much as Plearnty does. So how to get started is very simple. Just click on the link right below this video and use my referral code that you can see on top of your screen right now. Type it into the referral code box and register on Plearnty. I'm going to upload another video that explains in details how to register on the Plearnty platform, but then it's very simple. Once you create an account, you create your wallet, and then you see the daily quizzes. You take the quiz, make sure you take the quiz within 6 minutes. You take the quiz and then check your tokens for the day. The following day again, you keep playing, just keep playing. Your tokens will add up and it will eventually convert to money. All those urgent 2k, all those Plearnty being paid, abeg now, urgent 2k, abeg now, let me sub 500 MB. You don't need all of that anymore when you start earning on Plearnty. Another thing is that you get to learn and earn at your own pace. No pressure. There's nothing like, oh, do this between so time and so time. Whenever you have time, get some free cash. That's all about Plearnty. If you have questions, trust me, my DM is always open, the comment section is always open. Always feel free to ask me questions, ask me for guide if you're stuck anywhere. And then if this video was helpful to you, or you know somebody that it would be helpful for, I know you might not be an undergraduate, right? But then you have undergraduate as friends, as siblings, as cousins. Why not just share this video with them? Share this opportunity with them. You know, you never could tell whose life you're about to change by introducing them to Plearnty, a legit earning platform. What are you still waiting for? Don't you know that the longer you wait, the more money you're losing? Sit down there when your mates are cashing out money. They're cashing out money every day. They're cashing out money from Plearnty every day. Sit down there and be asking me if it's legit or real or fake. You know the sweet thing? You're not paying any money. You're not dropping any amounts. You're not registering with 5 naira or 5 kobo. So why not just give it a try and thank me later? I'll see you guys again in my next video, and I might be talking about something related to nutrition. Let's see. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.